little more. Let's see how close we are. It's beautiful.
Well, we're getting there. You know what happens when we count our chickens before they're hatched? The fox comes along and eats them. So, well, wait till this thing is done, then I will agree with you.
Shit.
See what I mean?
Need a bigger washer.
Oh, bigger washer. Oh, wait a minute. That's right there. Surprised I didn't back into it.
Yes.
Ah, that's probably why you leave them open. Catch me in the lower back.
I wouldn't want you to get hurt.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
So you're gonna weld that washer, the nut to the washer, and then what does the washer just go over it?
That'll be turned upside down in here.
Oh, that'll be. Oh, you're gonna weld that upside down in there?
Yep.
Okay. All right. I guess I didn't understand that when you first were talking about it. Sorry. How do you ground that?
Well, it's grounded now, but
Is it because the ground is on the table?
yes.
Right there, so the whole table's grounded?
Yes.
It's not very exciting, but this is fabrication. This is creating, this is upcycling, this is fixing. This is the good stuff. It takes time, and we're about to rock and roll.